am making a peanut butter cake. Water, my eggs, and then my peanut butter and my butter. All right, got my crock pot and I'm spraying it with cooking spray. Now, I'm going to turn this on and let it cook. Okay, for our frosting, I have my peanut butter right here. Now I'm going to soften this in the microwave just a bit. Okay, so I have my jar of frosting here. This one is cream cheese, but you could use vanilla if you want. You could use chocolate if you want. So now I'm gonna just mix this all together. We've got our cake done. Now I found some peanut butter chips that have been hanging around in my pantry that I was just like, I just want to get rid of these things. So I use those, maybe half a cup. And then we are going to spread this with frosting. Probably should have let it cool. That probably was not the smartest thing to do. Oh well, that's fine. Live and learn from Tara's mistakes. That's why I'm here, folks. Serve as a warning for others. Oh my goodness. That looks delicious. Oh, here we go. Okay, let your cake cool before you frost it, but oh, yum. Okay, that's a giant mess.
Got our
off-camera taste testing here.
Taste here.
Well, I sort of dumped it in the bowl. Does it taste like chocolate peanut butter?
Ooh, that's really good.
Is it delicious?
Yeah. It's actually really like nice and warm and
yummy.
Yeah.
All right, another successful recipe.
Oh.